It's like DIY dt is equal to 0. Here I is the intermediate. So the change in concentration of the intermediate with respect to time is 0. What does it mean? Means the intermediate which is formed in one of the steps, then it is again consumed in the subsequent steps. Do you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Understood. Okay. So now we'll discuss different examples so that it will be more clear what is steady state approximation. Just for example, so there are few types of reactions we'll discuss. So please concentrate on these types, because one or two of these questions you will get in your midsem examination. So you will get a question. So here means like this type is the first step. First step is the is slow. First step is slow, and the rate controlling step. Rate controlling or determine.
Ma'am, what is the product name, compound name?
It is 2NO2F. Okay, the proposed mechanism or step 1 is NO2 plus F2 will give you the rate constant is K1 here, NO2 F plus F. In the second step, NO2 plus F okay. So you will get the question as so that the rate of the reaction follows the equation okay. Do you understand the question? Actually, this is a type of the reaction where the first step is the rate determining step. Okay, the first step is the rate determining step. So one of the example is the formation of the nitrous fluoride gas. So in the first step, NO2, nitrogen dioxide, is reacting with fluorine to form NO2F and a chlorine atom, like free fluorine atom. Okay. And again, this, it is, you can think of radical type of mechanism. So in the second step, NO2 is combining with the free fluorine atom to form NO2A. So here we have to show that the rate of the reaction follows the equation minus dNO2 by dt is equal to, means rate of decrease of NO2 with respect to time. Rate of decrease of the concentration of NO2 with respect to time is equal to 2 K1 NO2, concentration of NO2 and concentration of F2. Any doubt?
मैम एक बार फिर से बताइएगा.
So in this reaction, the first step is the rate determining step, and this is the chemical reaction where NO2 is reacting with F2 to give the final product NO2F. So here the mechanism is NO2 plus F2 giving you NO2F plus F, and that free F again reacting with another one NO2 to form the NO2F final molecule. So here we have to show that the decrease in the concentration, means like rate of decrease of the concentration of NO2 is equal to 2K1 NO2 and F2. So we have to show that. Okay?
मैम वो 2 कहाँ से आया?
हैं?
मैम एक्सप्लेन करेगी, रुको ना अभी. मैम वो जो di by dt is equal to 0 वाला अगर बताइएगा ना मैम फिर से. अच्छा सर, di by dt वाला मैम.
Okay. O2 plus O gives you O3.
यस मैम.
ये तो आपको पता है ना?
यस मैम.
सो हियर डी, लाइक ये मतलब ये 2 स्टेप का रिएक्शन को मैं 1 स्टेप में लिखी हूँ, 2 स्टेप्स रिएक्शन. सो O2 प्लस O, मैं जस्ट अ मिनट.
ओके.
So you just leave it. So here O3 decomposes to give O2 plus O. Okay. Then O3 plus O gives you O2. Okay. So here O is the molecule, the nascent oxygen here. It is formed in the first step and again consumed in the second step. Isn't it? So the rate of formation dO by dt is equal to how much?
0.
This one only. So here I is this one. Do you understand now?
The intermediate part.
Obviously it is the intermediate only.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
It is not the product.
Mm-hmm.
It is not the O3 is decomposing to O2 plus O, and that O again binding, like reacting with O3 to form O2 oxygen.
Yes.
So here O is not the final product. It is the intermediate only.
Why ठीक है मैं समझ गया. थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ?
समझ गया.
अच्छा. So here we have to show this one. So how to approach this equation question? So here you will write applying steady state approximation to the formation of, यहाँ पे which one is the intermediate which is forming in the first step and again consumed in the next step?
Fluorine.
Which one is the intermediate?
Fluorine.
I'm fluorine.
So dF by dt is equal to
0.
So here we can write. So where is the F term? You have to check a K1 into NO2 into F minus K2 is equal to 0. Can I write this one or any doubt?
Yes, ma'am, you can write.
Any student? Anybody is having any problem? Please check and let me know. Because this step is important, every time we will discuss this one.
मैम एक बार ऊपर वाला पार्ट एक बार दिखाएंगे ना, दिखाइएगा ना. Ma'am, can you elaborate last step?
Up, we have written K1 NO2 here. Where is the F term? Like F is formed in the forward direction, and here F is consumed in the backward direction. Like here F is in the second step, F is consumed. In the first step, F is formed. So it is positive. Means like before K1, there is no negative sign because it is in the formation direction. It is in the positive direction. It is formed. That's why K1 into the concentration of NO2 and F2. Just for example, A plus B gives the product K1. K is the reaction constant. Okay. So here K is equal to, K is directly proportional to
Ma'am,
rate
R.
is
Ma'am,
directly
R is
proportional to
Yes,
rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A and the concentration of B. So rate is equal to K into concentration of A
A and
into
B.
concentration of B. Can I write this one or not?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way I have written only K1 into concentration of NO2 into concentration of F2.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And the second step, it is consumed. That's why I have put negative sign. Again, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So each and every student are clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a stucking problem in anode minus 6 step, ma'am.
क्योंकि ये minus means like it is consumed. That's why it is minus step. It is the decomposition. It is not the formation. The reaction is going in the forward direction. So where F is formed, that is positive sign. Like just for example, how to explain? Rate is equal to, listen. Rate is equal to the formation of the product. Rate of formation of the product. Rate of the formation of the product. Rate of the formation of the product.
I understood, ma'am.
Of the product. Or
Minus.
Or decomposition of the reactants. Do you understand now?
Ma'am, dono.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here the rate constant is directly proportional to the concentration of this one because it has been formed in the forward direction, and again it is consumed. So it is depends on the concentration of NO2 and depends also on the concentration of oil. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then so now we can write F is equal to Similarly, minus dNO2 by dt, okay, because we have to show that minus dNO2 by dt is equal to 2K1 NO2 F2. So minus dNO2 by dt, where is the NO2 term? Just check in the equation. So it will be K1 minus, so already minus sign is there, so we have to write K1 NO2 into F2 plus so now we'll put the value of F here plus K2 into NO2. In place of Kf, we can put this one K1, K2 into F2. So K2 will be cancelled. Is K1 NO2 F2 plus K1 NO2 into F2. So that is equal to 2K1 so already we have proved that. So here dNO2 by dt is equal to 2K1 NO2 into F2. Any doubt, please ask me. If you have any doubt, you can discuss with me.
मैम
Yes,
मैम जो द रेट ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ NO2 इज, उसके बाद जो स्टेटमेंट लिखा है वो कहाँ से है?
माइनस dNO2 by dt.
यस मैम.
तो आप इक्वेशन में देखो ना कहाँ पे NO2 है आपका. यहाँ पे नहीं है NO2.
यस मैम. नो मैम, वो इक्वेशन कहाँ है?
इक्वेशन कहाँ है मतलब?
मैम नीचे जाइए, नीचे जाइए,
हाँ?
नीचे जाइए थोड़ा. यस मैम, यहाँ पे ये जो इक्वेशन है ना, माइनस डी ऑफ NO2 बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू K1 NO2 F2, ये वाला.
हाँ, तो कहाँ से आपको समझ में नहीं आया?
हाँ.
तो आप तो फिर पहला वाला भी नहीं समझा होगा. ये वाला where from you got this one?
ओह यस मैम.
हाँ? Are you
हाँ हाँ.
sleeping?
नो मैम, नो मैम.
ये कहाँ से आया? ये तो आपको समझाया ना where from it has come.
यस मैम, यस मैम.
Now you understood.
यस मैम.
Everyone, every student, please check it carefully because the same thing will repeat for each and every of the type of the questions. Shall we discuss the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
For each and every student, I'm asking, I'll not repeat the steady state approximation again. If you have any questions, then you please feel free to ask me. Okay, so let us discuss the next one. One thing I just wondering, if they are asking for batch wise, then you people will leave and they will come. So
Said we don't know, man.
What did you say, man?
it's like if they're asking to come batch wise, then some of the students who are coming in the first batch, they will leave, then the second batch will come. Is it like this?
No, ma'am, it would be like from this date to this
मैम
date,
आई
आपको
थिंक
first
दे
batch will
बताऊंगा
come.
ना।
dispatch to
No,
prevent
no,
the rush
actually,
at a time.
मैम तो उन लोगों को पहले सेटल कर देगा अपना रूम में, उसके बाद फिर हम लोग को बुलाएगा, ऐसा भी हो सकता है मैम।
हाँ,
क्योंकि इतना सारा बच्चा एक बार में जाएगा तो एकोमोडेशन करने में दिक्कत तो होगा, जेन्युइन चीज है।
नहीं, अकोमोडेशन तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम लोग का हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी इज वेरी नाइस एंड लाइक accommodation is not a problem. But I'm wondering, the first batch will leave the campus, then the second batch will come, or the like once the first batch will be settled, then the second batch will come.
मैम सेटल्ड वाला पहले एक सेटल हो जाए,
एक्सक्यूज मी
क्योंकि मैम
मैम,
फ्रंट
Ma'am,
ऑफिस पे
Yes,
बहुत
yes.
भीड़.
if some students are not able to come to the
Yes.
camp because of the RT-PCR test and all of that, then for they can have an account that from such and such section, which students were able to come and which students were not able to come. So they can also have a record like that if they call batch wise.
Okay. Yes, I think someone is.
मैम could you
हाँ.
please confirm and then tell it to us?
यस मैम, क्योंकि अगर ऑफिशियल से मैम मिलेगा बात तो वो ज्यादा ये मतलब होगा, वहाँ पे
यस मैम,
कंफर्म
और
कर
एक
लीजिए।
मैम एक
Then
रेंज
you
ऑफ डेट्स दे
somebody
दीजिए ना.
please write in the WhatsApp so that I'll forward to the main group.
ओके।
यस मैम.
Some
मैम
of
एक
you, हाँ,
मैम एक रेंज ऑफ डेट्स भी, ताकि टिकट विकेट बुक कर सके, ठीक है, ऐसे डायरेक्ट.
you just write so that I'll.
Ma'am, actually, it is mentioned, I think, in the mail that it will be informed to the batches 15 days prior to their date of coming.
Then you
चलो
please
15
don't
डेज.
ask me now. So better will put.
भाई टिकट सस्ता में मिलता है ना भाई, इसलिए
वो उसका हो जाता है
Okay,
ना,
okay, okay.
तत्काल में महंगा पड़ता है
उसका
ब्रो।
उसका पेमेंट मेथड अलग है.
वो तो है बिफोर करने से. हम्म. वो तो ठीक है.
और मैम जिसका वैक्सीनेशन नहीं, और वो लोग नहीं आएगा?
क्या पता.
यस मैम.
वो आप कोई लिखेगा तो मैं पूछ सकती हूँ ना.
मैम मेल पे की टेक्स्ट?
कोई भी
टेक्स्ट करना पड़ा, आपका करना पड़ा।
व्हाट्सएप करो.
मैम लैपटॉप कैंपस में मिलेगा कि बाय पार्सल?
पार्सल में मिलेगा, मुझे वही मिला था, मतलब वही इंफॉर्मेशन था. So in the type 2, the intermediate form in the first step, and which will remain in equilibrium with the reactant, which again slowly reacts in the second step. Okay, first step it will be formed, and in the second step it will be consumed. So the reaction between nitric oxide and hydrogen 2NO plus H2
मैम स्लोली के बाद क्या है?
reacts with in the second step. This one you people will solve and I will check. If you cannot solve, then I will solve for you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the step 1, what have you written below the arrow?
A proposed mechanism is
Ma'am, in step 1, the first
2NO plus 2NO will give you N2O2.
ma'am, K1, K1 and what is
K minus 1.
Oh, okay, thank you, ma'am.
मैम प्रूव क्या करना है इसमें? मैम हम रेट लो लगा रहे हैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन मैम जैसे कि हम लोग 12 में पढ़े थे कि जो उसका जो कोफिशिएंट होता है जो ऊपर जाता है वो ऐसे फिजिकली एक्सपेरिमेंटली एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता है।
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ
मैम लेकिन आप देखिए NO का आप जो कोफिशिएंट था आप उसको ऊपर ले गए ना।
कहाँ क्या ऊपर ले गए? मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है आपका बात तो से।
Ma'am, you are using law mass action rule. But
वही तो बोल रहे हैं ना, रेट लो लगता है ना मैम, आप लॉ ऑफ मास क्यों लगा रहे हैं? ऋषभ जान कैसा करो ऋषभ, इतना ऐसी भारी पड़ सकता है इंसान।
Actually, the reaction is in between NO and H2 is given. Okay, mechanism is given. So you have to prove the rate, and here the rate will be in the second step only. Okay, the second step is the rate determining step. So you have to show that the rate is equal to K into concentration of NO sphere and concentration of H2. Can you do this one or not?
क्या कर रहे हैं हम?
Here,
excuse me,
मैम स्टेप 1 समझ में नहीं आया मैम।
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम रेट लॉ के थ्रू अगर हम लिखते हैं तो रेट लॉ इक्वल टू K इंटू NO2 इंटू H2 NO2 इंटू H2 हो जाएगा ना। तो फिर NO2 का स्क्वायर हमने क्यों लिखा है?
आपको ये शो करना है because it is not a simple reaction, it is a complex reaction. You have to achieve steady state approximation.
Okay.
By that time, I'm taking your roll in like attendance. Otherwise, I'll forget. Roll number 766,
Yes, ma'am.
67,
Yes, ma'am.
68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
Present, ma'am.
71,
Present, ma'am.
72, 72, 73,
Present, ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75, 76,
Present, ma'am.
77,
Present, ma'am.
78,
Yes, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80,
Present, ma'am.
81,
Present, ma'am.
82, 83,
Yes, ma'am.
84,
Present, ma'am.
85,
Present, ma'am.
86, 87,
Present, ma'am.
88,
Present, ma'am.
89,
Present, ma'am.
90, 91,
Present, ma'am.
92, 93, 94,
Present, ma'am.
95,
Present, ma'am.
96, 97, 98,
Present, ma'am.
99,
Present, ma'am.
800,
Present, ma'am.
96 present.
201,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
77 present.
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 8,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 present.
9, 10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am. 14.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20, 20, 21, 22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37, 8,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50.
Present, ma'am.
I'm 772.
797 present, ma'am.
797
present.
772.
752.
772.
अच्छा 7
797, ma'am.
I'm
Yes, ma'am.
796.
I'm 782.
797. हर्ष दुबे
I'm 796.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
कहाँ गए थे आप लोग सब
797 present, ma'am.
I'm 782.
इज इट ओके नाउ
Ma'am, hello.
यस
I'm 782.
782
मैम 825
आप लोग कहाँ चले गए थे
मैम बोले थे 825
तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन योर रोल नंबर हैव आई कॉल्ड और नॉट
you have called but I have said that I think you haven't listened or my mic doesn't work like that.
एनीवे आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी गॉट हाँ यस
I'm 797. I think his mic isn't working. So he has written in the chat box 797.
already I have given
Okay,
him
okay.
attendance okay
मैम वो क्वेश्चन हो गया
हो गया
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you, you prove that one
यस मैम
okay good so you understood
यस मैम
okay I think for everyone is it done or only few students could solve it everybody
मैम
solve
k minus
it
1 क्यों हुआ
so first of all tell me which is the to which step will taken as the steady state which like check the species which is formed in one of the steps and again it is consumed in the next step
मैम N2O2
N2O2.
can I write it N2O2 by dt is equal to 0 can I write it or not
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so for this one we can write K1 NO square minus K minus 1 N2O2 minus K2 N2O2 into concentration of H2 is equal to 0. Can I write it or not?
यस मैम
So you can find it out. The concentration of N2 is equal to K1 NO square by K minus 1 plus K2 H2. Can I write it or any doubt up to, until now?
Yes.
So again, from the equation already we know that the second step is the rate determining step. So rate is equal to concentration of N2O2 into concentration of H2. So now you just put the value of N2O2, then you will get K2 into, what is the value of N2O2? sorry, K1 by K minus 1. So K2 into N2O2 and H2. So here it is. So K2 into K1 by K minus 1 NO square. Oh, something happened. I don't know what happened and it is not working now. Students, it's not working.
Okay, ma'am. We will do.
When I solve it and I'll send in the group it, or else those who have already solved, you can also send in the group so that those students who could not solve, they can check it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That you share in the group, and in the next class we'll discuss if it is required once again. Okay, then? Because
Thank
okay then. So please leave this class and join for your next class. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Students, this
Thank you, ma'am.
the-
Thank you, ma'am.
this Saturday also you have classes.